in a row, another pair of Masters moments. Pic.twitter.com/octaoeast, PGA Tour, at Late. 2018 Webb Simpson made Masters history with back-to-back eagles in the final round, getting him to 5 under for the day. Simpson, the 2012 US Open champion, holed out from 166 yards on the par 4 number 7, then chipped in from 20 yards for a 3, on the par 5 number 8. He is the 4th player to make consecutive eagles in Masters history, joining Phil Mickelson in 2010, Dustin Johnson in 2009 and Dan Pohl in 1982. According to his scorecards on Augusta.com, Simpson had 2 eagles at Augusta National coming into Sunday, 1 each in the 2015 and 2016 tournaments. Masters 2018, Webb Simpson, 8th hole, round 4, pic.twitter.com/bottkw7do41, Masters highlights, at Masters moments April 8, 2018 Webb Simpson with back-to-back eagles at 7 and 8, eyes, clapping hands, hashtag the Masters pic.twitter.com/NOJVJHJJ07, Golf Central, at Golf Central April 8, 2018 Share your feedback to help improve our site experience.